Hello and welcome to Red Flag Mania's How to Use the Admin panel. We're going to start today on the Red Flag Mania welcome page. You should receive this link via email or from a Red Flag Maniac. Once you're on this page, select Administrator to log in and enter your email and create a password to begin. Welcome to your dashboard. The dashboard allows you to see how many students have signed up for your course each day and how many students have logged into your course each day. On the left-hand side of your screen under the Links headline, there are various resources available to you, such as a Quick Start Guide and solutions manuals. Head to the RFM Episode tab on the left side of the screen to view your active courses. The Course Code column shows the code that you send to students, along with the sign-up URL. That gives them access to your specific course. You can also view your course using the eye icon. Click through, and this allows you to see student data, red flagging, and more information. If you would like to look further into a student's participation, you can also view individual student data using this view icon. Back on the RFM episode screen, there's also a way to export student data as a whole. Selecting these three dots next to the view icon, you can click Export Student Data. Select a start and stop date to run the action and download specific student data between those dates. This downloaded Excel sheet then gives me an overview of each student who has completed the course, their quiz and final exam completion, and answers to short answer questions. Finally, back on the RFM episode page, you will see a red X over report sent, as well as a date noted for send report at. This is the date you have given your Red Flag Maniac contact as to when your course is ending. When your course has ended, that same Excel sheet report will be sent to your email, and this red X will change to a check mark. Up until then, you can still download your student data or email it to yourself via the Actions tab. And that's it for the Red Flag Mania admin panel. Thanks for joining us today.